One YouTube feature that I absolutely love is that as soon as I hover on a thumbnail of a video that I like, it starts playing. In this way, I can see what video is all about without going into a new tab. But it comes with a problem. As you can see, here are multiple video thumbnail tabs and I am not able to focus on a single video. So what if other than the video that I want to watch that I hover on, the rest of the screen becomes blur? In this way, I can focus on a single video at a time. I started with ChatGPT on how to make a Chrome extension to do this. First, I make a new folder and name it as YT Blur and then open it in Visual Studio Code. Then I make a manifest.json file. This file contains all the metadata about the Chrome extension. Next, I made a content.json file which contains all the logic of the extension. It basically does that it creates a blur layer over the YouTube page when the video starts playing. Then I created a CSS file which will be used to give style to this blur layer. After that, I load my YT Blur extension in the Chrome. Here you can see the extension is loaded. And now when we go to YouTube, our extension is working. But you can see here the extension is making whole screen blur. But I want to exclude the video I hover on. So I go to ChatGPT to modify the code. We will use backdrop filter and Z-index to achieve this. Now after updating the style and content.js and reloading our extension in Chrome, you can see our extension is working perfectly. Comment if you like this video.